Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's May 7th today, coming at you with another video here. Today it's on Foxify, the P2P trading platform. We'll be looking at this one. It's slightly different than some of the other trading protocols that I've been getting into lately, where you just invest your money and get some returns from those protocols. Foxify actually has a P2P platform, and they're looking at creating some income for people through staking the tokens and getting forward and looking into that. So I'll zoom this back down here. I just wanted to start the video with that one. When you're looking at the Foxify platform, you can trade, you can earn, and they also have some gamify pieces as well. You can compete and earn as well in that section. Now, looking at the whole industry here, they've actually brought on Tyson Fury as well to partner with them, and so they're looking at marketing. They have a good team behind them. I'm liking the team. They're actually been in a different project as well, so looking forward to the team members. As you can see here, Danny's actually been CEO with another project, and he's looking forward to developing this one as well as Allison, who's the CMO. She's also come over as well from another project. So liking this one, and they have some good potential coming forward. So let's dig into the white paper a little bit. I won't cover everything here, maybe in another video or two. There's a lot of stuff to cover off here. We'll get into this in a little more detail. So a few of the pieces that I do like that I want to pull out of the overview here, you can get into the trading side, and for me, I'm not much of a trader per se, but I do like to be able to stake my tokens, so you can stake your Foxify and earn a percentage of the fees from the platform, which is nice, and that's where I'll be getting into things I do like about the platform. They do have an affiliate program, so if you have a larger following or you have people in your group that you want to bring along, you can get into the affiliate program. There's also gasless transactions that I like with this one. So the whole idea, we'll cover off the vision here as well. And they're looking at bringing people into the platform with the vision. So they want to bring multiple chains, gasless transactions, and they're trying to people that are interested in the centralized exchanges or ease of use, or people that aren't even involved in crypto, trying to bring them in with having the wallet, which is signed up through an email address, so you don't have to worry about getting into all the DeFi information and stuff like that, and creating all the knowledge base around that. So they are going to have a community and actually providing a school and education, but they want to have ease of use for this platform. So it allows people to get into the DeFi space with just an email password, but also have the two-factor authentication, and have the trading that's a lot easier with gasless. Per se, maybe you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of funds to put into trading. The gas fees can start adding up, so this is a good way to do it. They're going to be on arbitrary freedom chain, and they're going to be looking at kind of on ETH side on that. So if you're interested in getting in, get your funds ready, and we'll be able to go with this one a little bit further down the road. So what do I want to talk about here? We mentioned the affiliate program. I'll try and zoom in on this one a little bit. You have earning potential here for passive incomes if they kind of give some examples on the number of trades that are going on here, and you can actually bring your team on, and you can get a large annual income from that. So if you want to get your network going, get that forward. It's one of the things to look into. If you're looking on the trading side, they have some perks for you. They have NFTs that are going to give you discounts. You buy the gold, 25% discount on trading. Silver is a 10% discount, and bronze, you can collect 5 of those and merge them up into a silver. So you can get into their NFTs, and that's part of the way they're going forward here. The tokenomics, we won't really get into that right now per se, but looking at the roadmap going forward here, right now we're already into May, so they've getting forward. They've launched Mint one of their NFTs. They're going to come out with a second one here shortly. They also have their academy coming out, but the key point that I want to bring forward here is they're going to be having their beta come out in June, and they're looking at launching kind of end of June. So we have 4 to 6 weeks here to get any funds together that you're interested in and getting into this. Again, this is just what I'm doing. It's not financial advice, so make sure you do your research on this and get into looking at Foxify. And I'll try and if you have any questions, please put them below, and I'll try and contact you, get into the team and ask them, or listen to some AMAs by some other YouTubers that I know that are looking into this, and they also get asked some questions for you if you're interested. If you do like my content, please like and subscribe, and we'll get some more information on Foxify for you here coming forward. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.